Are you looking for a way to earn passive income with Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024? This video will actually provide you with the information that you need in order for you to get started. Now, with a visually oriented nature of Pinterest, it is an ideal platform for affiliate marketing. This allows you to actually promote products and services to your followers and your potential customers. We'll be discussing how you can set up a successful affiliate program, maximize your reach, and generate income through affiliate partnerships. Now, with this information, you can begin to harness the power of Pinterest affiliate marketing and unlock new sources of revenue. Now, let's talk a little bit about understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way to earn passive income online, and it involves promoting products or services on your platform and earning a commission for every sale that you've made using your affiliate link. Now, understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing is crucial to succeeding in the field of affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'll be providing you with the knowledge that you need in order for you to get started. One of the main reasons why affiliate marketing is so popular is because it allows individuals to actually earn income without having to create their own products or services. Instead, you can leverage on an existing product, leverage on an existing service, promote them to your audience. Now, this eliminates the need for any form of inventory management, customer support, or other logistic challenges that may be associated in running a traditional business. Pinterest is actually a great platform for affiliate marketing because of its visual nature. It allows you to actually create visually appealing pins, visually appealing boards that showcase the products and services that you are promoting. So by at least strategically using keywords and descriptions, you can attract the attention of Pinterest users who are actively searching for the products or services that you are promoting. An important aspect of affiliate marketing on Pinterest is the use of tags. By tagging products on Pinterest, you can make it easier for users to find and purchase the products that you are promoting. This Pinterest affiliate marketing hack can significantly increase your chances of earning a commission. You can also take advantage of Pinterest's search feature to find popular pins and boards in your niche and use this information to inform your own pins and board creation strategy. Affiliate marketing with Pinterest in 2024 is a great opportunity to actually earn passive income. Now, in the next couple of videos, we'll be diving deeper into creating a Pinterest business account, choosing the right affiliate products, and then implementing the strategies you need in order for you to drive traffic and then generate income.